Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a small Aldi haul, how I cook some salmon, and a good deep clean in my bathroom. If you're interested, stay tuned. This is a small Aldi haul that I did on this particular week. I just got some fruit, some quick chicken wings, some mashed potatoes, and those mashed potatoes are actually really good. An Asian stir fry that I ended up using to cook with the salmon, some cucumbers, and a few other things. For those who may be new, I'm Metria Nikole. I'm a working mom and I make cleaning videos, home, and lifestyle content here on YouTube. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the family. So I decided to use the Asian stir fry kit. Since it has green peas in it, I had to take them out. One of my daughters is allergic to them, so I decided to go ahead and remove them just in case she wanted to try them later on. These are different seasonings that I'm using to cook the salmon. I did decide to add the lemon pepper. Usually lemon pepper is a distinct taste. I don't care for it all the time, but in the end it ended up working out. It's been a while since I cooked some salmon because one of my daughters, again, is allergic to seafood. However, she can be around it. She's fine if she smells it, like if we're at a restaurant and if I order shrimp or something, she just cannot consume it. So it's been a while since I had cooked the salmon, but I'm in the process of trying to eat less chicken, ground turkey, etc. Every day is my protein. I really want to get back into some type of seafood, and I chose salmon. To me, it's very simple to cook, and in this case, I wanted to season it well. I wrapped it up in aluminum foil and put it in an air fryer. Now, as that's cooking, I decided to go ahead and start washing the dishes. And I turn on the air purifier just to prevent the smell from reaching upstairs. As you know, I always clean out my sink anytime dealing with meat with my pine saw. If I don't have pine saw on hand, I'll go ahead and use Fabuloso. I did purchase a new knife set off of Amazon. I really wanted an acrylic look, and I try to keep my countertops very simple, and I think that was a great addition. They are very sharp, and I ended up cutting myself when I went to go wash them, but I'll still link them in the description box. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified on future videos. As we're going through the video, I just wanted to check in and see how everyone's doing. How is your week going? How has this first month of the new year been to you? I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and if it didn't start off great, I hope it ends on a good note. I know sometimes things don't go as planned, but I think we can continue to press on and believe that God can work miracles, and God can work it out in the end. I took out the salmon too early. As you can see, it was not completely done. So I decided to pop it back in the air fryer and cook it some more. And now that it's finally finished, I am serving my plate, and it actually turned out really good. So I think I'm going to stick with the lemon pepper anytime I cook salmon. I recently purchased a pre-seasoned salmon from Aldi, and that one turned out very well too. And now we're on to the bathroom. I always remove everything off the shelves when doing a deep clean. If it's a quick clean, most of the time I just leave everything on the counter and in the shower and get a microfiber towel with Fabuloso and wipe everything down. I am trying to do better when I get done with a hair product, a lotion, or perfume, that I put it back the same day, and this just helps me be able to keep the counters less cluttered. My go-to Clorox spray and my Ajax. That's been my number 2 products that I always clean with first, and then after I do sometimes go back and clean with a scented cleaner just to have a nice soft aroma. If it doesn't smell straight like Clorox. I was checking the back of the Clorox bottle and it says to allow it to sit for a total of 10 minutes. I don't think I've ever done that. So as I always start off with spraying the double sinks, the toilet, and then I remove everything out of the shower and I spray the shower down very well. My favorite thing to clean the bathroom is always the shower and the sink because it involves a lot of scrubbing. I enjoy the suds and I love just the ASMR sound of it. I decided to give the Sprayway glass cleaner another try. It was a tip shown to shut your lights off and then spray or wipe to prevent streaking because I didn't care for it beforehand. However, when I did this method, I did see a difference, but I still use this along with my good old faithful Windex. I'm showing you a little bit behind the scenes of me doing a TikTok. I do prefer to use my phone in a ring light. With me working full time and being a mom and then trying to do YouTube and the TikTok thing, it is a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, but that's when I feel like you have to find something you enjoy doing so it doesn't seem so tedious. I do feel like with TikTok, you have to post more frequently, and that is something that I am struggling with, and I'm going to try to work a little bit harder to do. And I do have a couple of ideas that I want to do with TikTok, but I think I'm going to stick to just ASMR only because it will be less editing and voiceover that I'll have to do, and that'll give me the opportunity to post as much as I would, like to. Everything down, I just get a microfiber towel and wipe everything off. If I continue with the sponge, it'll take a lot longer due to the suds and me adding the dish soap and the other products. Product because I didn't see any suds when I went to scrub, and I just like giving the shower a very good scrub because I use a lot of body scrub and facial scrubs, and I just want to make sure the area of the shower is cleaned. At the bottom, I just use some Ajax, and I prefer to have a bucket of water down there so I can rinse out my sponge versus using the shower hose because it can get messy. As the video is coming to an end, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos and joining me on this journey. If there's any particular thing that you would like to see on my channel in regards to cleaning, home, or lifestyle content, let me know. I am working on a handful of ideas. I'm just trying to make sure I have the time to film them, and I am getting inspiration from other cleaning YouTubers as well on here. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I really appreciate the support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.